In a land where green leaves grow, there's a plant the people know. Banaba shining in the sun, helping bodies one by one. Nature's gift from earth so kind, for the body and the mind. Full of power deep inside, keeping health in gentle stride. Banaba help me feel alright, balance sugar day and night. From my heart down to my soul, helping me stay strong and whole. Banaba, natural and true, simple care in all you do. From the earth, a healing way, keeping sickness far away. Helps to keep my sugar low, lets my energy just flow. Fights the swelling, calms the pain, keeps my body well again. Burns the fat and curbs the need, helps my heart and what I feed. Fights off germs I cannot see, guards my health so naturally. Banaba help me feel alright, balance sugar day and night. From my heart down to my soul, helping me stay strong and whole. Banaba, natural and true, simple care in all you do. From the earth, a healing way, keeping sickness far away. But take care, don't rush too fast. Use it right to make it last. Talk to someone who will know how to help your body grow. Every cure must come with care. Balance life and be aware. Banaba got me every day, keep my worries far away. Strong inside and feeling free, living life in harmony. Banaba, simple, pure and wise, nature's help before my eyes. With the right and careful start, healing body, mind and heart.